Hi, everybody. We are in the AutoCAD web app, mobile app here, and we're going to be starting our 6th drawing. This is going to be called 06. So let's go up to New Drawing. We're going to title it App 06. And we're switching over to Imperial Measurements and saying Open. Got to give that a minute. There we go. Okay, let's start out with the circle tool right over here. And you can go anywhere you want to start. Let's go right about here. Click, drag out, and it says to enter the radius or the diameter. Since it's set to radius, I'm going to put that in at 10 and then enter. A little zoomed out, so let's get in there like that. Now, if you remember last time, we went to modify and we used the offset. We're going to do that again. Offset tool. And then it says select the object. So we're going to select it. Float inside here. And let's type a distance in. Let's do 3. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and go back to draw. Let's get the line tool. Let's float until we hit the center. By the way, O-snap and O-track, and I'm going to turn ortho on. They're all these 3 are on. Let's go to the center, click. Let's drag this way. Let's go out 20. There's our line. Now, let's go ahead and copy this. So let's go ahead and click it. We've got the copy command right there. We're going to grab this from the center, drag it over just like that, hit the space bar to end it. And now we can either offset this or we can copy this one over. I think I'm going to use the copy command. So select it, copy command, click here, drag it over. And this is our shape. This is what you're going to be handing in. Remember, you want to save it as a AutoCAD document. I'm actually going to save myself, save, just regular save right there. There we go. And I know you know how to save it as an AutoCAD document because you've been handing it in just like that. If you don't remember, I believe you can go back to the 04 assignment and it shows you how to do that. All right, that's the end of the lesson. Have yourselves a great day, everybody.